Will AI take our jobs? I don't think so. I'll tell you why and also explain the India scenario. AI is slowly changing the world, and its pace is only going to increase in the coming times. Look at the AI rally in the US. Nvidia is now the world's largest company by market share, even surpassing Apple. Tesla is building robo-taxis. And who knows, we may soon see flying cars. Medical robots are already conducting surgeries from thousands of kilometers away. Financial analysts are already using AI and machine learning to build prediction models for stock markets and whatnot. For large scale AI to function, like ChatGPT, we need data centers. And for data centers, we need processors. And for processors, we need semiconductors. Semiconductors are therefore the core components of computers. Now, where does India stand in all this? The Boston Consulting Group studied 73 countries and found that India is second in AI specialists and third in research publications. It's amazing, right? Did you know that? I didn't, but I feel super proud about this. Global companies are investing huge amounts in India, and this is in fact a very good time for building a career in tech. AMD, which is one of the world's largest computer hardware company, like Nvidia, has recently announced a $400 million investment to set up its largest ever design center in Bangalore. It will employ 3,000 engineers over the next 3 years. In fact, 25% of its workforce is already based in India, and Indian engineers play a key role in developing the AI and ML tech for AMD. Astra Labs is a US-based semiconductor company. It has also recently announced setting up an R&D site in Bangalore where it will employ tech professionals. It is in fact actively recruiting right now. Mastercard has launched its new tech hub in Pune with over 6,000 professionals, right from software development to finance, data architecture to cyber security, and it is in fact the company's largest ever workforce in a single city globally. Amazing, right? Now, all these developments are part of India's Viksit Bharat vision, which seeks to make India a fully developed and technologically driven country by 2047, which will be the 100th anniversary of India's independence. There are immense opportunities in the tech field. In fact, a recent article showed that there is a shortage of 10 million skilled professionals in the tech domain, from aerospace to industrial electronics, defense electronics, and much more. Now, the government is also taking steps for training and educating skilled professionals. There is a scheme launched by the government which is called the CHIPS to Startup scheme. Now, it aims to train 85,000 engineers over the next 5 years. Then the Semiconductor Industrial Association, SEMI, its workforce development program is also training professionals for building careers in semiconductor design and manufacturing. In fact, the semiconductor industry has a goal of reaching $1 trillion by 2030. India obviously is racing to have a part in this market share. It is projected that by 2027, there will be a shortage of 300,000 tech professionals. This is great news, right? Because if there is shortage, there are more opportunities. With all these huge investments, global recognition and demand for India's talent, and the government's efforts, the future looks promising. The opportunities are aplenty. And so I feel there is no need to fear that AI will take away our jobs. In fact, the coming of AI will create more jobs in the future. Do share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.